The top 3 ways to use doTERRA's On Guard Essential Oil Blend are aromatic, so that's breathing it in. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about the benefits and uses of doTERRA's On Guard Essential Oil Blend. The doTERRA On Guard is a proprietary essential oil blend and provides a natural and effective alternative for immune support when used internally. As one of doTERRA's best-selling blends, doTERRA On Guard protects against environmental and seasonal threats with essential oils known for their positive effects on the immune system when ingested. doTERRA On Guard can be taken internally on a daily basis to maintain healthy immune function and support healthy cardiovascular function. It can also be used on surfaces throughout your home as a non-toxic cleaner. When diffused, doTERRA On Guard helps purify the air and can be very energizing and uplifting. The top 3 ways to use doTERRA's On Guard Essential Oil Blend are aromatic, so that's breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits of On Guard are that it purifies the air and supports a healthy immune system. The directions for use are diffusing 3 to 5 drops in a 4-hour diffuser, like the pedal diffuser. You can also place 1 to 2 drops in the palms of your hands and rub them together to clean them, which is especially helpful in public settings like bathrooms. You can also place 1 drop on your tongue and then rub that on the roof of your mouth to address a scratchy throat. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.